This morning I'm making teriyaki chicken with coconut rice. First thing we're going to do is make the easy teriyaki sauce, no need for store-bought. First thing I'm going to do is just crush up, I've got 2 cloves of garlic here. Right, I've got my garlic, I'm going to add into here 3 tablespoons of honey, also a tablespoon of sesame oil, a teaspoon of ginger, I've got fresh that I grated, a teaspoon of sesame seeds, 2 teaspoons of corn flour and some soy sauce. This is mixed up really nicely, it's quite glossy. There's little sesame seeds in there. We're just going to put that to one side, and now in a pan, medium to hot pan, I've got 4 chicken thighs here, boneless and skinless. So this is just starting to get some colour on. Into the pan, I've got about 1/3 cup of cashews and also some chopped up broccoli. Then we're going to pour in our teriyaki sauce that we made up earlier. Just pour it straight into the pan. So we'll just leave it to keep simmering away and thickening. I've got 3 cups of rice here. This is jasmine. It's quite key when you're making coconut rice to rinse it well. Pour it straight in. Oops. In the saucepan, and we're going to add in 3 cups of water. And as well as this, a tin of coconut cream. Okay, also going to add in just a teaspoon of sugar. And a decent pinch of salt. And we're just going to bring it up to the boil. Once it reaches that boil, fairly quickly, I'm just going to give it one quick stir. Then we'll pop the lid on, cover it, and leave it for about 20 minutes. That's the secret to fluffy rice. Here is my teriyaki chicken with coconut rice. Really delicious chicken.